Well, one of the things that I've been absolutely determined that we do since we won the Commonwealth Games is ensure that everyone in Glasgow benefits from the Games, and one of the ways we're doing that is by guaranteeing every school leaver this year who qualifies a modern apprenticeship, and we're able to do that primarily because of the amount of work connected with the Commonwealth Games, whether that's construction work for the venues that we'll need, whether it's the administration support we're beginning to gather to look at things like the volunteers and how we deliver the games.
My name is Michael Conley and I'm 16 years old.
My name's Sasha Khalil and I'm 16 years old.
I'm Scott Rogers and I'm 18 years old.
My name's Natalie Lowe, I'm 16 and I'm from Springburn.
My name's Adam Bailey, I'm 16 and I'm from Drumchapel, Glasgow.
I went to Sean's Academy School and I was brought up in the Gobbles, but I now stay in Coven Hill.
I'm from Knightswood in Glasgow and I went to Knightswood Secondary.
I've got a 4-year modern apprenticeship with City Building as an electrician.
I'm doing a full 4-year modern apprenticeship in joinery.
It's a modern apprenticeship in horticulture with the Glasgow City Council for 3 years.
My apprenticeship is a 4-year civil engineering apprenticeship. It's with Glasgow City Council and it's like architectural work, except just now I'm in road maintenance because it's my first year, but I rotate around each subject.
Well, it's a 2-year modern apprenticeship in roadworks and is with the Glasgow City Council.
The field that I'm in, it's a hands-on job, it's getting to know everybody, knowing that I can go everywhere. It's not just in the same place, we've been on site and in college, so it's a learning experience really.
Well, the benefits I think are obviously learning new skills, gaining experience, working on the roads, actually being out there working.
Because before this, if I didn't get this, I don't know what I would be doing because I had my heart set on this.
Getting this apprenticeship, it's made me feel a lot more confident about myself, that I've been willing to get an apprenticeship, and it's just made me dead happy.
I don't think I would have found another civil engineering apprenticeship, which is what I want to do, so quite happy I got this one.
After the 4 years I hope to get my trade, start one business, even try and get into property development when I'm older.
But one of the great things about an apprenticeship is, of course, there's a guaranteed skill level that people are trained to. There's a qualification. One of the mistakes this city made in the past, particularly during times of economic recession, is that we forgot about the importance of investing in skills, in training, in on-the-job qualifications. By investing in each generation of young people that come out of our schools, for example, we invest in the future of our city. We enhance the skill level. And that's very, very important in what is an ever-competitive new global age that we live in. The competitive advantage that Glasgow will have is an enhanced skill level, more people available for the labour market of the future, and that's not just good for those people that benefit from that investment, that's good for us all as we make our city an even more prosperous city than it has been.